If you've ever thought about making $10,000 to $100,000 in 3 months doing taxes, then this video can literally change your life. Hey, I am Dr. Rosie Thomas, aka the Texas Tax Pro. I've been in the tax industry for over 20 years. I've built multiple 6- and 7-figure businesses, and I train tax pros nationwide. Let me show you exactly what you really need to get paid as a tax preparer. The first thing you will need to do is get a PTIN. That is your personal tax identification number, and it is required by the IRS if you plan on getting paid to do taxes. It is issued by the IRS to you personally, and it must be renewed every year. Without a PTIN, it is illegal to charge to prepare taxes. It costs really low. There is not much that you have to pay to obtain it, but if you want to get paid, you have to have the PTIN. You can't just wake up and start charging people for taxes. A PTIN makes it legit. If you plan on starting a tax business, you will need to apply for an EFIN. Your EFIN is an electronic filing identification number, which allows your business to e-file tax returns instead of mailing it in to the IRS. This EFIN is issued to your business, not your personal. It requires a background check, fingerprinting, and it takes the IRS about 2 to 8 weeks to be approved. Bottom line, no EFIN, no independence. This is what turns you into a real business owner and start making real money. Just like any other business, you have to have your business set up properly. You will need your LLC, which protects you legally and builds business credit. You'll need your EIN number, which is your business social security number. You'll need a business bank account to deposit your coins. It is required if you're wanting to have money deposited into your account from your tax business. Bottom line, if your tax money is hitting your personal cash out, you don't have a business yet. Now you need tax software, professional software, not TurboTax. TurboTax is for personal use only, not for running a business. You need professional tax software that will allow you to have multiple clients, secure your client's information. You want to have multiple tax preparers to log in at one time if needed. Some of the softwares that I recommend is going to be OLT, TaxSlayer Pro, Drake, CrossLink, and guess what? I have access to them all. Bottom line, you cannot build a 6- or 7-figure tax business without tax software. And good news, like I said, I'm partnered with all the software companies, and I'm able to offer tax software to you for a low cost. I highly recommend offering bank products. Bank products would allow you to be able to offer refund advances. So when your client files their taxes, they're able to receive a portion of the refund the same day. You can also print checks in office or from home if you're virtual. You can take your fees, deduct those fees directly out of your client's refund when it's funded. It increases the amount of money that you can make just by offering bank products. Because guess what? Clients love fast money. They love to be able to get money the same day. And it raises your advantages and the things that you offer within your business. Bottom line, speed sells. Bank products turn the maybe clients into paid clients. I've went a step further for you guys. If you need to apply for your EFIN or your LLC, I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for your EFIN. I also have on how to apply for your LLC. Download software does not make you a tax pro. Systems make you money. If you're looking to start a tax business, I definitely can help you put the right systems in place and help you fast track your way to success. If you want my beginner's checklist, join my school community right now. The link is in the description. And if you need more help, schedule a call and I got you. I will show you step by step on how to start the right way and build a 6 to 7 figure tax business. If this video was helpful, please like and also subscribe.